Welcome back to the Roadshow, everybody. Joining us this morning are some of the performers from Cirque Dreams Illumination.
And with us right now is Robert Moraine, and you actually a performer on So You Think You Can Dance. We love that show around here, I have to tell you. How was that experience for you?
It was an awesome experience. Now I'm here in Cirque Dreams, doing my thing.
Now, did you get this gig with Cirque Dreams because of your experience on So You Think You Can Dance? Do you feel like it was kind of a platform for you?
Yeah, definitely a step up to a career.
Yeah, that's awesome. Because, no, but it's true, because sometimes it can be hard as a performer to plug in and you think, I really want to do this with my life, but I don't know how you get started or how you plug in and that sort of thing. So do you think it kind of gave you a lift in that way?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's a lot of exposure, and I mean, millions of people can see what you're doing in just one episode, and that's all it takes nowadays, you know?
That is so cool. How did you, you're going to perform for us in just a minute, but how do you do that with your body? How did you learn to do that? Show us a couple moves real quick.
Years and years of practice.
Yeah?
I mean, to do this takes much time, you know?
Yeah.
Show me that one more time. Years and years of practice, he said.
Hey, it's paying off.
Show me one more move before we throw it over to Sean. Oh.
Hello.
That was great. Well, we're going to let you do a full performance after seeing a little tidbit like that. Why don't you guys take it away?
All right. Way to go, Robert. What is the name of that with a stick that you go under?
The limbo?
The limbo. He wins. He wins. Robert, we'll see you in a little bit. Thank you so much.